how to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Binance. Now, first of all, open the Binance app and make sure to log into your account. Now, what I want you to do, tap on Assets and select the overview from the top bar and click on Buy option. And now, as you can see, you have two options, Buy with USD and Buy with USD using the P2P option. We will select the Buy with USD first option. And now after that, to select the Bitcoin, click on Buy USDT from here. As you can see, now search for the BTC. And as you can see, now select it. And after that, select your payment method. There is card, credit card, and the AirTime. Now we need to select the credit card and tap on confirm. And now you can set the amount that you want to buy, as you can see. And now click on add new card if you don't add your card before on your account. Now click on add new card, and as you can see here, you can provide your credential of your credit card to be able to use it to buy your Bitcoin. So this is how to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Binance. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.